This fruit is this plant, and it's big useful to pet animals and other animals. Pet animals and other animals gassy trouble. When in stomach gassy trouble, then it's make pest and eating pet animals so easily recover. Yes, friend, easily recover. I break it and looking this type. It's eating also. I eat and seed.